Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and as you saw in the last video, we upgraded this PowerMac G5. This is a dual 1.8 gigahertz PowerPC G5, PowerMac G5 rather. And in this video, we are going to be upgrading it. We're going to be pretty much speccing it out with some pretty nice hardware. And yeah, so let me think. The upgrades we're going to be doing to this machine are stacked along this thing in my desk. But basically, we are going to be throwing 4 gigs of RAM in here. And these are spread across 4 1 gig DDR modules. And these I got 8 of these with my Xserve G5, and 4 of them are going in here, 4 of them are now in the Xserve still. So we're going to be putting an airport card in here. Originally when I took it out, I tried to connect to the internet through Ethernet, through Wi-Fi, nothing. So I put that in there. I took that out of one of my PowerBooks. This is one of those Wi-Fi dongles. This came with my original G5 that got thrown away. And these are dual 500 gig drives. You might be thinking, oh my gosh, he's throwing in a terabyte of storage. No, I'm going to be throwing one of these drives in. It's just a matter of which one has Tiger, or which one has my Leopard installation on it and which one doesn't, because I want to do a fresh install rather than my test install. So let's go ahead and pop the cover on here. I'm going to be doing the RAM first. Actually, yeah, RAM first. Let me bring the tripod over a bit so we can see, and lower the camera. Sorry about the shaky video. I'm using this cardboard mount that I made for my phone, and my room's a mess too. But you can see there. Let me lower it a bit more. There we go. Tripod's broken as well. So you can see there we have 8 gigs, or we have 2 gigs of RAM that's spread across some various assortment of modules. I'm going to move my chair quickly as well, just to the other side. Need to sort out a better way to film this stuff, because it's not the best iMac in the background. But let's grab our RAM. These are the, I'm going to be throwing these in it. So first thing we're going to do is pull out this fan mod. Someone's doing something outside, sprinklers. So we're going to pull out this fan thing. And you can see we have our modules here, so we're going to unlatch these. Hopefully they don't go flying out like these ones just did. Forgive me, I am not the best at this kind of stuff. And I don't have an anti-static wrist strap either. Or at least I don't have one handy. So this is the, you can see it's tinted there, and it's just a regular module. But let me undo these. So I'll pull those out. You can see these are the others. So this is this is 2 gigs of RAM spread across various assortment of modules. But 4 gigs is better. So I'm gonna do, let me see, what slots are which on these things. So I believe that is this one and this one, if I'm doing this correctly, and this one and this one to run them in quad channel, if that's how PowerMacs work. If it's not, then I guess I'm just throwing them in on every other slot. So let's pop that one in. These are the right ones. Yeah, they are. Let's go for that one. If I had better lighting, I'm using my iPhone as the camera, as I think I've made clear in my other videos, but it's like a loose tooth. That's frightening. But as I've made clear in my other videos, so I don't have a flashlight that I can use on this. Let's pop that one up there. Sorry about me blocking the shot if I am. Alright, so the RAM is installed now. What else were we going to do? Wi-Fi card, or airport card. So, let's lower the tripod even further so you can see under everything here. This tripod is getting old anyway. I should get a new one, but we're pretty up close with the G5 now. So you can see up there we have a Wi-Fi thing, and this card came out of my PowerBook, so we are going to slot that in somehow. I think it goes in this way. Yes, it does. And we're gonna, do I have my mag light anywhere? I have a mag light somewhere in my room. I do not. Let me just see if I can get a better view of this somehow. I really wish I had that mag light right now. And I really wish I could turn the light on the iPhone. It's obviously they programmed it not to do that. There's really no foreseeable reason that I shouldn't be allowed, or that I shouldn't have my light on while I'm recording. There we go. So now we're gonna unlatch this wire and plug it into our thing. And this looks like a modem something. So I'm gonna leave that up there. So now we're Wi-Fi, or now this computer can access the internet theoretically. And let's bring up the camera. Actually, let's bring it down a bit more. And my iPhone almost fell out of the tripod. So, there's that. It's probably the best view. Sorry about the lighting, it's pretty terrible. But, here we are going to pull out these SATA connectors. But first, let me grab the screws. And you can see these 4 things here. These are the screws for the hard drive. I love how Apple does that. Just have those handy. So I can properly even get them out of the thing. Without stripping them. Do I have a different screwdriver I can use? Yes, I do. It's almost like they're stripped. Oh wait, no, I'm doing it backwards and turning it right, not left. I always do that. Alright, so let's remove those. You guys, I'm sure, have a better view of this than I do. Why does that feel so stripped? Oh god, what have I done? Alright, so let's pop these on the second drive now. So this is a 500 gig. I don't think I mentioned that, but it is a 500 gig drive. That's going to be running alongside the 160 gig. So 160 will be partitioned 2 ways. So 80 for Leopard and 80 for Tiger, and then the 500 as a like a cross pool almost, if that makes any sense. Yes, that goes in like that. I love the G5 mounting system. It's so confusing. Slide that in and pop down that latch. And this is always fun because it's really hard to do this. But let's get this SATA power cable. There's just almost enough leverage to get this, combined with my low light situation. There we go. That went a lot better than it did earlier when I tried this some other time, like a week ago or something when I did that. So we are going to pop the fans back on. And let's move the tripod back as well. But we have a pretty much spec'd out G5 now. Let's move this other RAM out of the way. I'll just put that somewhere else. And pop the cooling shroud back on, and pop the side panel back on. And in the next video, we are going to put we're going to put Leopard and Tiger on this. So, what? Yeah. Anyway, there we go. Everything's sorted with this machine now, upgraded, spec'd out, and next video are the upgrades. So that's going to end it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like or dislike. Go ahead and subscribe if you want to see those upgrades and my new setup. And yeah, that's going to be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next